Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to show you some suggested last-minute gift ideas that only take you 10 to 15 minutes to make. And this is an elastic pencil case. I bought the notebook at the dollar store for $1, and this pencil case just slips over the cover. And again, it's got a little zipper on it. Now don't be afraid of zippers. This is not hard to put in at all. So this is a great gift idea. Also, if you like, or excuse me, if you know of someone who does like to sew or is thinking about learning how to sew, this is a pin cushion and it is so cute. They can even put it on a little hook on the wall and dangle it there. And then of course this one just sits flat to the table. So as I'm talking about these, make sure you check below for all the different links to these videos. This is a personal tissue cover. This is so cute. I carry one of these in my purse all the time because I have allergies and I'm always having to blow my nose. So this I love. You can also, if you wanted to, make a matching zipper pouch to go along with it. So they're each just a few minutes to make, about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe 5 minutes for this and maybe 15 minutes for this. Here is let me unsnap it here. This is a little gift card holder or cash, whatever you like to put in it, and it has a little snap closure on it. This takes about 10 minutes to make. Then we have a little snap bag. You just hold it open, release it, and it snaps back. These are really fun to make. And then this one also has a little snap on it, and it has a little place to slip cards in the back and a little zipper pouch on the inside there. This one I love. This is great for making it to hang on maybe your child's backpack or on a hook inside of your purse. It's a little coin pouch. You can also make this little wristlet to hang on to it. So if you're one, like I have a friend who doesn't like to carry much with her when she goes shopping, she carries just a tiny little pouch like this, so you can make it and have it dangle from the wrist. This little wristlet is about 5 minutes. This is about 10 minutes. This is a fun little tote bag. This is probably 20 minutes. There's no cotton batting, no quilting stitches to worry about. You can get these little ring handles at your craft stores. Really quick little project. If you know somebody who likes to do crochet or knitting, you can put a few skeins of yarn in here and even give it as a little gift. Now, clothing projects. One of the easiest quick clothing projects are these little hair accessories. This is a stretch headband. You just tie a little knot in it, sew the ends together. Really easy. And then there's one here. These are cotton. I've got them out of many different colors. And then there's elastic in the back. And then here is another knotted stretch hairband. These are quick, about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes for this. I also like making little neck scarves. Isn't this pretty? Now this has pom-pom fringe around the edges, so you can make it with or without the pom-pom fringe. And also you can make a towel apron. I have a video for children towel aprons and adults. This is the easiest one. This is probably 10 minutes to make. So great little gift ideas. And now let's move on to your kitchen. You can make a matching towel for the kitchen and a pot holder. This is probably one of the easiest pot holder videos that I have. So you can make it out of the same fabrics. This will probably take you 10 minutes, probably 5 for this one. So really, really quick project. And then you can make pillowcases. especially for kids. You can make them. You can take maybe their favorite action figure or princess figure and get the fabric and make a custom pillowcase. Now you can also make them very elegant because you can add lace and make it really, really elegant for your bedroom. And then I also like to make slip cover pillow cases for my sofa. Each one of these is a 20-minute pillow, and they have a little opening on the back for you to slip it over a pillow. So you can custom fit it to the pillows that are already on your sofa and then make a nice coordinated matching set. I do hope you enjoyed watching these last-minute, very quick gift ideas. Now, thanks for watching and happy sewing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, would you please click on the thumbs up button and don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. And don't forget to click on the bell and enter your email address so you'll receive email notifications about my latest video. I'm Cheryl and this is Manny. See you next time and happy sewing!